Hello, welcome to another video of the Complete Angular course. In this video, I'll be talking about what is Angular and why you should use it. Angular is a front-end framework based on the concepts of components. It takes the old way of how we used to build websites and enhances it by adding new features and advantages to building single-page applications. Consider this example. We have a simple app to view the user information and the posts he has made. There's a user profile section that displays the photo, name, and bio. Underneath the profile section is the list of posts that the user has posted. Our code may look something like this. There's a lot of code, and even worse, if we want to display more posts or add more information about the user, we have to add more code or even repeat some of the existing code to make that happen. It gets harder and harder to maintain. It would be nice if we could separate our code and bring it into our DOM whenever we need to use it. We can do that with Angular. One major feature that Angular utilizes is the approach to break our application into tiny small parts called components. This helps developers like you and I separate our code into modules that can easily maintain and reuse. Let's take a look at the same example when we apply Angular. Our code may look something like this. We took the code from the profile and post section and then separated them into two modules. Then we included it in our application with a simple syntax. There's a lot more you can do with Angular. We'll learn more of its features and advantages as we dive deeper into the course. The last thing I want to mention is the difference between Angular and AngularJS. Angular is developed by Google in 2010 and that is version 1. Version 1 of Angular is called AngularJS, and version 2 and above is Angular.